Alright guys, so I got this Jeep from my grandfather. He's had it since my parents were in high school. It's a 93 Cherokee XJ. So my issue is here, it was running just fine, and then I parked it for about 2-3 weeks, and then it wouldn't start. So I figured maybe gas was bad. Checked the gas, wasn't too bad. Replaced the pump and filter. Pump works great now. I got a lot of pressure. Now it won't start. So I went and checked my distributor cap and rotor. Definitely needed to be replaced for sure. Hopefully that was gonna fix the issue. But then I inspected, pulled. That's not the one. Pulled a couple of these. None of them were working. Is this the one right here? Yeah. So as you can see, that one's pretty jacked up in there. Kind of just slips on and off. The cap and rotor doesn't really lock in. Put some dielectric grease on there. Figured maybe that would help. But no. Yeah, see, that stuff's pretty bad. So won't start again. I tried cranking it, nothing. So now we're on to go get the ignition coil pack right there. Should run you about between $40 and $50 at AutoZone. Really wish I would have known. I would have just started there, but hey, you know, hindsight's 20/20. So stay tuned. See if we can get this thing running.